During last program, the question raised by Sister Aisha was about the punishment and trial, and Hazur has explained how can a person differentiate between natural disaster and punishment.
That's right, yes. Every natural disaster is not a punishment, but some punishments could be coupled with natural disasters or could be inflicted in the form of natural disasters. But the difference is very obvious. There is no confusion about it. For instance, the earthquakes take place, people drown, and people meet with accidents and so on and so forth. These are natural disasters. Partly man's are involved in some, and partly they are just natural, over which man has no control whatsoever. Coming of floods and blowing of hurricanes and all the accidents caused because of them, pure and simple natural disasters. But when they are to be employed by God as punishment, then they are predicted, prophesied, and also their behavior does not become entirely ordinary natural behavior. They begin to pick and choose between this and that. They kill some and spare others. So apparently they are just like any natural disasters, but when you read them in the context of the prophecies which became fulfilled in their appearance, and see the differences how they behaved, then you can easily understand that they are nothing but wrath of God displayed in these natural disasters. What happened at the time of Noah, bring to mind that the whole episode of Noah, what happened to Pharaoh when he was drowned. Just natural disasters. But a disaster which was behaving as if it had its own mind. It had specific orders to follow. To spare Moses and his camp, not to spare Pharaoh and his followers, and so on and so forth. So they are natural disasters, but predicted before they took place, with all the consequences attendant upon them, precisely defined. Right? Similarly, accidents take place, like the accident of Ziaul-Haq being exploded in the mid-air. But just 4 days before, God had told me that something was about to happen to this man. And I mentioned it in my Friday sermon, that now he cannot run away. Now whatever he may, he is about to be punished. And before the next Friday, his plane is blown up. And in a manner which is unimaginable. Nobody has ever detected any fault with the plane. Nobody has discovered any sign of. Yet it happened. So accidents are accidents, natural disasters are natural disasters, but they are employed by God. And when they are employed by God as such, they speak their own language. They bring their own proof with them. Right? Yes.